buying USDT with credit card is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to teach you how you guys can buy USDT with credit card. So the process is pretty simple. You just have to go to any of the crypto platform. So as you guys can see, I'm on my Google now. Here I'm just going to search for Binance. Now after searching for Binance, I'll go to Binance.com. Now here you simply have to create an account. If you don't have one, after creating the account you simply have to log in. Now this is how it will look after logging in. You simply have to click on this deposit and then you have to click on buy crypto. What it will do is it will take you to a new page. Now here it wants you to enter the amount of you want to buy. Suppose you want to buy USDT worth of $100. You just have to enter 100, and as you guys can see, you will get 95 USDT with $100. So you just have to click on verify and buy. Why is it saying verify and buy? Just because our account is not verified yet, so you just have to click on that. At first it will want you to verify it using your ID card. You just have to verify it. Once your account is set up, you will easily be able to pay either using debit slash credit card. So you just have to verify your account first. So that's pretty much it. That's how I'll be able to do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.